What the heck? Bigger anchors are falling down!
More time than training.
Told you! Right ahead!
Launch!
We have no choice but to deal with them!
Destroy them!
Units near the anchors! Attack the targets right away!
Loads of monsters coming out from the giant teleportation anchor!
It's teleporting 2 types of monsters.
Headquarters are afraid of this power.
The bigger the anchor, the more monsters can be teleported! Destroy them!
Let's go.
How come it's coming down this way? Be thankful that it's not crashing onto your head! Trouble will begin soon! Yes, sir! Attacking the anchors right now!
Our reinforcements won't make it! Destroy the anchors with current forces!
Copy that! Don't expect reinforcements.
It's always the same. Ask the soldiers to spread so they won't get hit by the fallen anchors. There's nothing else we can do.
Everyone stay alert! Yes, sir!
You have good taste, Air Raider.
Let me estimate the...
It's anchors! A lot of them! Eyes up! Don't get hit!
Move it! Anchors are jumping from the sky! Careful!
Again! And this time there's more!
Hey, look! That's a huge anchor! Teleportation anchor spotted!
Those anchors will put everyone at risk! Destroy them!
Repair it now!
This is too much. We can't handle this.
If we don't do something, the city is done for! Get moving!
Creator of this weapon must be a genius!
This is why we came all the way to Europe!
Launch! The circuit button's out. Repair it now!
These giant teleportation anchors will be called big anchors from now on! Destroy the big anchors at once!
How's the secret weapon coming along?
What do you mean?
I'm referring to that secret weapon which killed lots of aliens in Beijing.
It's only rumor among soldiers. There's no such thing as a secret weapon.
Looks like it's top secret, huh?
The creator of this weapon must be a genius! Launch!
Recall the troops sent to Europe.
What's wrong?
Die!
We've confirmed a swarm of flying types, but we haven't received reports about them dropping teleportation ships yet. They must have been bred by the earlier monsters.
Crap! We must come up with a countermeasure ASAP!
Genius!
You have good taste, Air Raider.
Good job! We stopped the alien attack once again!
Burned out.
Repair it now!
This is a private message. The intelligence division is very interested in you. We will start to watch and record your actions from now on. I will send one of my men to you who will surely become a great help.
Beam!